continuing with lesson 8. We're going to now we're still using sequence 11 ripple edit. However, we're now going to look at the slip edit and slide edit tools. So I'm going to try to give you guys the best understanding of this. Basically, you want to come in here, and right here you have, this is your slip edit, so select it. Also, if you left click and hold, you'll see the slide tool is underneath this one, and we'll get to that one in a moment. So with the slip tool chosen, come to shot 5 and hover over top of this, and this is the icon you get. Notice when we do this, it's basically moving the clip left and right. As far as duration is staying the same, so it's not changing the time of our cut. However, you can see the two bigger clips up top there is what we're actually seeing of the edit. Shot 4 and shot 6 are not being affected. We are still maintaining their length. Nothing is changing there. So with slip, you're affecting the clip that you're pulling left or right. So this is one real easy way to change what that clip is doing. So if I let go, I now have a new piece chosen there. Alright, so if you choose this other one, the slide tool, the last one I just used, the slip, might be really good for cutting actions. So if you have to make very small changes, a couple frames, that might be a faster way to do it. It just depends on how your editing style takes off and what you like to do. Alright, so this other one is our slide tool, and now it's telling us to look at shot number 2. So when we click on this one, we'll see very similar boxes up in the program monitor that we had just seen. However, now as I'm dragging this, shot 2 is now the small icons, and that means those are not being changed. So the in and out point, as I drag it to the right, you notice shot 3 is getting smaller, or if I drag it to the left, the first shot is getting smaller. So when I let go of this, it will have now made shot 1 longer and shot 3 shorter, and shot 2 did not change. So that's the difference of the slide versus the slip.